The Devilfish, Manta Ray Point by Gary Ordog, MD. This is about the manta ray. This is the devilfish, also called, or the devil ray, because of the horns on the front of its head, which are actually fins that can be turned to direct the food into its mouth as it's swimming through a school of fish or plankton, etc. So this was actually filmed in 2010. Manta rays at Manta Ray Point, and a whole school of them there every night, attracted by the lights. So they're quite interesting and fascinating to watch and play with. And I have actually gone snorkeling with them, and a boat that does go snorkeling to visit the manta rays. The manta rays are large rays belonging to a genus formerly known as Manta. The largest species grows to 23 feet in width. Smallest is about 18 feet. Both have triangular pectoral fins, horn-shaped cephalic fins, and large forward-facing mouths. The cephalic fins can be rolled into horns, and that's where the name comes from, the devilfish or the devil ray. They are classified as similar family as stingrays, which are relatives, and placed in the same family as eagle rays, which are also quite large, but not quite as large as manta rays. They have the same large brain, and actually the largest brain and brain to body ratio of any fish. And interestingly, they can pass the mirror test. That is self-recognition when looking into a mirror, which does actually make them very intelligent, if you ask me. We also can pass the mirror test, obviously. So, there are many manta rays swimming around here. They're gathering plankton that has gathered at the light on the edge of the ocean. And again, this is sometimes called Manta Ray Point or Manta Point, or I guess we could call it Devil Ray and Devilfish Point. But this is an interesting place to go if you want to see the manta rays. There comes one now. And you can see the white inside of its mouth. The gill rakers inside there, the horns sticking out. That's fins in this case to direct the plankton and fish, minnows, small fish fry into its mouth. And the gill rakers filter out the food. So this is a filter feeder, not dangerous. They do not attack or injure humans or even other larger animals. This unfortunate case, they caught one 21 feet across. Here's another one 27 foot allegedly, maybe, but also 2,200 pounds. It's huge. So leave them alone, please. Please do not harm them. They are not of danger to humans. Here's a close-up of the cephalic fins and the gill rakers and the gill slits. Here's two manta rays swimming together. Here's a manta ray using those cephalic fins to suck in a school of fish as it swims through the school of fish. And then these gill rakers inside are filter feeding for the manta ray. And that's how they eat. They only eat small little fish and plankton. The horns become fins to guide the food into the mouth, as they are in this position, or they can curl them into horns in this position. And this is the way that it was given the name devilfish. Here's a view of the gill rakers through the mouth. And these animals are amazing. They fly like birds in the ocean. And they can actually jump out of the water and fly a little bit, or jump at least a long ways out of the ocean into the air. This ones are trying to give you a kiss. They are harmless to humans. They should be protected. They are as harmless as the manatees, which now I believe are mostly protected. Okay, thank you for all your kind support over the years. And as a medical toxicologist, board certified, I can tell you that these animals are non-toxic. And thank you for the long support over the past 45 years. Thank you, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing on the small caricature below. Press here, the small caricature, and have a good life. Over and out.